Today we are going to be doing a Met Gala inspired look, and obviously Kendall Jenner's dress was stunning. So we're going to be using these two plates today to create this Kendall Jenner inspired manicure. So I already painted my base and I am using ballet flats. I want to start off with this little star. And then I'm going to be using pewter. Grab your scraper card. Grab my cute stamper. Okay, yay, we got it. And we're just gonna color in the star. The next design we're gonna use is this design. Creating these like cascading lines, but we're gonna isolate some of these pieces and then we're gonna use that to stamp on to this nail. And then let me top coat this so that way you guys can see all of our hard work coming together.